For today's vlog is cabin crew for a day muna tayo because we're going to assess TM second year students for their first flight. And the flight presentation was held at the third floor of the library. And dito na nga ako nag-ayos kasi I was so late na. I thought late ko pero wala pa pala ditong tao, konti pa lang. Kaya dito na rin ako nag-ayos. And I was in charge in the food. I am one of the cabin crew in charge in distributing snacks to the passengers. And ito na yung mga snacks na ibibigay namin later, guys. So, hindi mawawala yung Del Monte dyan. Habang wala pa yung mga TM second year, kasi sila yung mga passengers namin, nag-practice muna kami dito kung paano yung right way para magbigay sa kanila ng mga snacks. Wala kasi kaming practice, guys, kahit isa, wala talaga. So, on the spot talaga to siya. Kaya naman, before kami mag-distribute ng mga food, isinorient muna kami dito ni Ma'am Shine. And we're going to distribute foods first sa first class kasi sila yung VIP of this flight.
Mabuhay, ma'am. So we have here foods. For snacks, we have lemon square, and for the drinks, we have apple and orange. What do you prefer, ma'am?
Apple.
Just wait first, sir. For snacks, we have. Here is your snack, ma'am.
Thank you.
Enjoy your snacks.
And after some announcement, we're back here with the passengers distributing their snacks dito sa my economy.
Ma'am, sir, mangayo pa kamo snacks.
Bawi-bawi, 60.
Amo na siya, guys, ang trabaho sa mga FA. Unahon na yung mga passengers, so they're done with their drinks and snacks, so it's time for us.
Samok lang. Masamok lang.
Ang sarap ng Coke, libre pa.
Masarap na libre. Pero
Yes.
Alright, and then your perks for being here.
Okay, oh, ibig
Here.
sabihin.
Okay. Kasi nung hari na rin na nag-first time. Okay.
1.5. 1.
Pero basta ang inyong ahimo.
Shot ko no.
It's a roll!
Shot. Shot kami, guys.
And this is your Ate Erica, Ate Eunice, Kuya Gerald, and Ate Shara, your cabin crew for today.
Thank you, Ma'am Shine, for the
Oh my gosh, already at home and it's super exhausted. I'm so drained and let's get unready muna because we have to take a rest because we have a lots of things na i-review later. So, tapos na tayong mag-unready. Medyo basa pa yung hair ko. It's still wet. And mag-sleep na tayo kasi I woke up 5 kaninang umaga. And we still have exam tomorrow. So, mag-rest muna yung brain ko at saka yung katawan ko kasi I'm so tired today. So, ayan lang. Thanks for watching, guys. Spread love, no hate. Bye!